Hello, I'm Kaya Stefania and welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video, I will share with you how to crochet this skirt. We will be needing a yarn, a corresponding hook size, pair of scissors, weaving needle, and a measuring tape. To start, make a slip knot, chain 15, and to start our first row, make additional 2 chains. It will serve as our first stitch, and make double crochet on this 4th chain across. For our second row, chain 3 and make double crochet on the back loop of the next stitch across. Repeat the process in row 2 until it's enough to wrap around your waist, but make sure it will slip through your hips. After that, connect the 2 ends by slip stitching. After that, chain 1 and make 1 round of single crochets, 2 single crochets each row. After that round, slip stitch, chain 1, tighten and cut the yarn. Now attach the other yarn and start our first row by chain 3 and 1 round of double crochet. Slip stitch to finish the first round. For round 2, we will just repeat round 1, but we will have increases by making 2 double crochets, same stitch in each and every 10 stitches. Repeat row 2 5 more times, but on row 3, 5, and 7, start increasing after 5 stitches and then increasing after every 10 stitches in the next. For round 8 onwards, repeat making rounds of double crochets without increasing until you're satisfied with the coverage. In a separate yarn, you can double pull your yarn and make chains at least 200 for small sizes. Done. Thank you for watching. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe. Click that bell button so you get notified whenever I upload videos like this. And if you want to make this tap on the screen, I will put a link in the description box below. Thank you.